Hello everyone, this video is presented by Shop and Save Diamond Tools. To replace Stadea SWP101K carbon brush, first open the 5 screws for the polisher. Then open screw for the water valve and its holder. Take out the tape and polisher cover. Take out the old carbon brush and then carefully install the new carbon brush. Ensure the wire is not popping out and put on the spring back. Turn around the polisher and follow the same steps to replace the second carbon brush. After this, place all the parts and enclosure at right position and close the polisher. Ensure the cover is fitting well and that one can switch on and off the polisher. Screw on the polisher water valve holder, and then water valve. Thanks for watching the video. Visit shopandsavemart.com to purchase diamond tools for granite, quartz, concrete, polishing, and fabrication. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.